Now here is Brazier. Here is a very sharp player for New Zealand.
Beteka ya mbere timu ya airetu ya rugby irathakire na timu ya New Zealand na iranorwo bao 52 kwa gibugu.
No mistake. Okello. That's been a good battle over there.
Beteka inegi timu ino ithakire na timu ya France na yahurwo bao 40 kwa gibugu. Irita njira ya kwagithio hinya makiria, timu ino ya Kenya icokire yanorwo bao 19 kwa bao 10 ni timu ya airetu ya rugby kuma bũrũri wa Spain.
Tremendous try.